All right, welcome back, guys. So today we're going to be doing some bacon wrapped burger dogs. Oh man, I saw this video and I thought it looked good. So we're going to go ahead and try it in this channel. My name is RJ and this is Beginners Barbecue Outdoors. All right, so right off the bat, we have some ground beef. Now you can use 80-20, whatever you guys want to use for ground beef. It's fine. We got some bacon. I got some cheddar smoked sausages, hot dogs, and then I got some sliced cheese, American cheese. And for this part, I'm really excited because I saw this. They told us about this, and I was hoping I would get one, and magically I did get one, and I was like, all right. It's their new ThermoPro. This is cool because it has an infrared. It's a 2-in-1. It has an infrared and also a probe. So this is what it is. It has and this is the infrared. So I know a lot of you that use Blackstone like to temp your griddle. I never do it because I don't see a reason for it, but a lot of people like to do it. More power to them. But might as well have it now. I can try it to do that too. This is pretty cool. This is a button for Celsius or Fahrenheit. Easy to switch over. And then this top one is for your infrared. And this bottom is for your probe. So it's a 2-in-1 thermometer. So it's pretty cool. So we're going to try this one. This is the one that you're going to be seeing me use a lot. I've always liked, these ones. The one that I can keep in my pocket. A little bit more than the Bluetooth ones. Those are good for long cooks. For cooks like this, I'm going to be using this one. But yeah, these are now on their website. 2-in-1 instant probe. Infrared and probe. That's cool. So also, I know I have Meat Stick. They sent me theirs a while back ago, and then Chef Mate sent me theirs. Now we're ThermoPro. That's the one this is the one I'm going to be using more frequently now. But I will be making a video of all three, a review of all three. That way you guys get to decide which one you like. Some people will like the easy way, will like the easy one, with not a lot of technology into it. But like I said, we'll make a video of all three of them, and that way you guys get to choose what you guys like. So let's go ahead and go back into this. So pretty much we're gonna grab some ground beef. Okay, we're just gonna make it nice and flat. So this is great. I mean, if you guys like burgers, you guys like hot dogs, when I go to parties and they have both, I have a little bit of both. Who doesn't, right? So this is something that, like the thermometers, 2-in-1. You guys see that? You see what I did there? Back to our program. So yeah, so we're gonna get this nice and flat where it covers our dog pretty well, and then we're gonna wrap it in bacon. So it's gonna be a 2-process in the grill. I mean, I've never done it. I've seen it, but there wasn't not much information if I want to go step by step. So I'm just kind of gonna give you guys a step by step. So I'm gonna learn as I go too. So let's see. That seems about right. We're gonna put some slight cheese like that. Also, our rub that we're gonna be using is the new one called Blackening. It's this guy right here. It'll be the first time using it, but when I opened it, it had a nice little smell to it. So, I mean, I'm curious to try it, and I say this is going to be good to try it. So now what we're going to do is just wrap it. You guys can add some more meat to it. That way we know it's nice and covered in this ground beef. Are we looking on this side? Looks pretty good, right? Man, right here today, guys, it's about 103 degrees out here. It's hot. It's hot. It took me a while to come out here and do this video because I was procrastinating about this heat, but I got you guys. Here I am making this video. Try not to sweat too much. But we got that. We got a bacon that where did I get this bacon from? Oh, I don't know. I thought it was the Costco one, but it's not. So now you get to wrap it in bacon. So how many strips? Maybe 3 strips? Yep, about 3 strips. And there you guys go. But I totally forgot to add some seasoning in the ground beef. I was going to add seasoning towards top and then put the bacon. I already did it. So we're just going to add this. On the other one, we will. On this one, we're just going to go ahead and add the seasoning on top. Because I don't want to open it. And then you know how it is, guys. You open it and it doesn't work the same no more. And there we are. Put some on the end. All right, so we got that. Then I'm going to go ahead and do this one. And then we'll add the seasoning when I should have done on this one. I'll show you guys. Here we go. Okay, just like the other one. We're going to go ahead and wrap it. Add the cheese. We're going to wrap it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add some seasoning on our ground beef. And you guys can use any of the seasoning you guys have. Any rub you guys want to have, just go ahead and do it. And then go ahead and add more, a little bit more, a dab of rub on your bacon. You know, it's just a little bit. So 3 strips of bacon per burger dog. All right, so how we're gonna cook this, we're gonna put our Z grill to 325 degrees. Pretty much internal temp, we're looking at about 165. And then we'll see how our bacon is when this is almost, the inside is 165. So pretty much once the internal temp is getting close to 165, we'll look at the bacon. If the bacon looks like it's where we want it to, then we'll let it ride to 165 internal. But if we want a bacon a little bit more crispy, then I'm gonna crank it up to 375 for just a few minutes so we can get that bacon nice and crisp. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Z grill. Also, guys, remember, for the last month, this model of Z grill has been sold out. And I know some of you guys have clicked on it, and it was sold out. But they just recently are back in stock. So if you guys want to go check them out, make sure you guys use the code ZGrills5 at checkout to get your extra 5% off that special price. Remember, guys, the code is ZGrills5. I'll have that in the description. Also, a link in the description. Let's go ahead and fire up our Z grill. All right, it's at 325 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and add this right in the middle. And I'll keep checking on it like every 10 minutes just to see where it's at. But we'll come back when it's ready. All right, guys, we're back. It's been about a little under a half hour. So now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our thermometer. Here's where this is going to display. This is infrared. This is pro. So we're going to go in there. We're about 151. So our bacon is not where I like it to be. So right now is a good time to raise the temperature to 375 to get that bacon crisp. And the internal temp should be at 165 by then. We'll be back. All right, guys, it's been 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Let's see where we're at. 175, 78. But our bacon is right where we want it now, so that's good enough. Let's go ahead and take it out. We'll be back. All right, guys, here we have it. So before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, guys, there you guys have it. So let's start getting this going. Let's go ahead and build it. Look at that. That's a monster right there. Probably like a hoagie roll would probably be better. Something like those outdoor rolls. But for now, this is good. let's go ahead and add our mayo. Our ketchup. And some pickles. Diced pickles. How does that look? Oh, oh, oh yeah. It's a monster right here. Remember guys, I'll leave a link in the description for this. You guys can check it out. This is pretty cool so far. But I will be doing a review video of all the thermometers that I have so far, and then you guys can know which ones you guys like. And don't forget the code for that Z Grill, ZGrills5. It'll be in the description with the link. You guys want this is back on stock, so make sure you guys get one before they go out of stock again for another month. Here we go, guys. This way. Oh my God. It's like a burger. You know, we just go to 7-Eleven, they have that burger dog, and this is better. Man. Oh, this is good. Oh. Oh. Oh man. That is really good. You guys are gonna like it. But you guys check this out. Oh, that's damn good. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe, check out these videos. Don't forget the code ZGrills5. When you get one of this at checkout, type in ZGrills5. We'll see you guys next time.